Dear students, I, Mrs. Neeta Ivle, once again welcome you to the next lecture of Organization of Commerce and Management subject. Now we are studying first chapter, and in previous lecture we understood what is meant by principles of management. We understood that management harmonize all functions of business organizations such as planning, organizing, staffing, coordinating and controlling, which are termed as functions of management. We understood that principles of management are a set of guidelines that assist managers to conduct the management properly and effectively, right? They are the set of guidelines that assist the managers in making management decisions time to time. In other words, principle is defined as techniques and or systems which give directional result. These principles are universal and applicable everywhere. The principles of management mean by which you actually manage, that is, get things done through others, that may be individually, may be in groups or in organizations. Formally defined, the principles of management are the activities that plan, organize and control the functions, the operations of the basic elements of men, materials, machines, methods, money and markets, providing direction and coordination and giving leadership to human efforts so as to achieve the sought objectives of the enterprise. The fundamental notation of principles of management was developed by French management theorist Henri Fayol. He is credited with the original planning, organizing, leading, controlling framework, which, while undergoing very important changes in content, remaining the dominant management framework in the world. Friends, today we are going to understand the significance of principles of management. Now, what is meant by significance? Significance means management. Management principles are in the form of predetermined remedy for the situations which are recurring. That means the situations in organizations which are recurring in nature. They provide useful insights to managerial behavior. Managers may apply these principles to fulfill their tasks and responsibilities. Principles guide managers in taking and implementing decisions. These principles are guiding the manager, so it is important for every manager to know them. These principles are tested and practiced worldwide from many years. The significance of principles of management can be discussed in the terms of following points. Now we will go through each point. The first significance of management is provide useful insight to managers. The principles of management provide the managers with useful insights into the organization and a real world situations. Awareness of these principles will add to their knowledge, ability and understanding of business situations, circumstances and problems. It further helps the manager to find out the situations, solutions for them and handle situations. It will also enable managers to learn from past mistakes and save time by solving recurring problems quickly. Management principles increase managerial efficiency as This type of timely guidance reduces the wastage of resources and the goals can be achieved in appropriate manner. Now, understand this significance with the example. A manager can leave routine decision making to his subordinates and deal with only abnormal circumstances which need his expertise by following the principles of delegation of authority. Let's see the second one. Second significance is helpful in efficient utilization of resources. Resources, both human and physical, that means material, machine, money, etc., available with the organization are limited. The basic function of management is to make proper balance between these resources by putting them to optimum use and control on wastage. The sources should be put to use in such a manner that they should give maximum benefit with minimum cost. Principles equip the managers to foresee the cause and effect relationship of their decisions and actions. Also, it helps in establishing friendly relationship between management and employees, which increases the efficiency level of employee and also boost the effective administration. Let's have an example. By using good quality of raw material and machinery in an organization, a manager improves quality of products and at the same time increases efficiency of workers. Now move to the third one. The third significance of management principles is scientific decision. Decisions must be based on facts, thoughtful and justificable in terms of intended purposes. They must be timely, realistic and subject to measurement and evolution. Principles train the managers to handle critical situations tactfully. Otherwise, the managers have to work always with trial and error method. Management principles help in thoughtful decision making. Managers can get an idea about analyze the situations to search alternative options and their results. They emphasize logic rather than blind faith. See the example. Even if production has been adversely affected in pandemic COVID-19 situation, the management must take care of workers as in future the organization needs skilled workers. Now the fourth significance is understanding social responsibility. The increased awareness of the public forces business fulfill their social responsibilities. Management principles are not developed only for handling the resources effectively, but they guide managers in understanding social responsibilities of the organizations. Management theory and management principles have also developed to these demands. In this way, they can focus on providing quality products at reasonable prices, fair competitions, fair remuneration, change in environment, healthy working places, etc. Let's have an example. To meet social responsibility, public sector undertaking BHEL, BHEL, that is BHEL, has developed entire township in Hyderabad. Now let's move to the fifth significance, that is encourages research and development. Principles of management are at the core management theory. Principles of management are dynamic. Nature of these principles goes on changing along with the changes in the corporate world. These principles provide basic groundwork for the development of management as a discipline. Professional courses such as MBA, BBA also teach these principles as part of their curriculum at the beginner's level. Principles of management have developed to suit the current need or over the years. Management adopts new trends automatically. Management principles have undergone a long history of evolution and they continue to evolve. If needed, management can modify and use the principles according to situations as the management is having liberty to take the decisions at their own. This training helps in developing scientific approach towards research and development and growth and development of organization. In conclusion, it can be said that understanding the meaning, nature and significance of principles of management will help us to appreciate their applicability in real life situations. For example, in most of the organizations, the R&D department always works on finding new techniques in the field of production, finance, marketing, human resources, etc. Now, what is the sixth significance? It is helps to coordinate and control. To achieve efficiency, coordination among the various activities and coordination among different departments is very essential. Management principles are the guidelines for better coordination and control. To create coordination and cooperation among employees working in different departments is the challenge in front of managers. Similarly, it is critical task of managers to keep control on the performance of employees. Managers may apply these principles to fulfill their tasks and responsibilities. Principles guide managers in taking and implementing decisions. Management principles provide guidelines for better coordination and control. For example, management principles emphasize division of work and specialization. In modern times, this principle has been extended to the entire business whereby companies are specializing in their core competency and diversing non-core businesses so that managers can focus on the core activities only and can coordinate and control those limited activities. Now, let's move to the last significance, that is develops objective approach. The principles of management are formed by experience and collective wisdom of managers as well as experimentation, so that the principles of management help to managers to develop objective approach. Thus, the managers cannot only recognize opportunities in business but also identify cause of the problems in correct manner and can find out suitable solutions for them. This approach accelerates confidence in the minds of managers. Now, let's take a quick review of today's lecture. Today we understood significance of principles of management. The first significance is provides useful insight to managers. Second, helpful in efficient utilization of resources. Third, scientific decisions. Fourth, understanding social responsibility. Fifth, encourages research and development. Sixth, helps in coordinate and control. And the last one, seventh, develops objective approach. We have studied significance of principles of management. Hope you got it all. Thanks for watching attentively.